Hey guys, today I'm going to be playing Mario 64, but if I take damage, my room fills up by 20% with carbon monoxide. Also, sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I've had some issues with recording, and it just wouldn't pick up the gameplay audio, but eventually I just gave up. I just gave up. Alright. Hang on a little. Alright, I'm back. What? My days. My PC has carbon monoxide poisoning. I forgot to mention, earlier, the video idea was supposed to be Mario 64, but if I, breathe, I explode. But I thought about it, and then, I eventually came to the conclusion that that video idea was horrible. Oh my days! I was holding space and then pressing E. I'm so dumb. Alright, there we go. What? Hang on. What? What? Oh my days, bro, my keyboard. Whatever. Right. What? I'm so bad. Oh shit. Thank goodness, bro. Alright, I see you. Oh, great. Oh, wow. It doesn't smell like anything. I didn't know that. I thought it smelled like car exhaust. But, like... Oh, yeah, it's odorless. I'm such a dum-dum, bro. My days. Yeah, screw it. Oh, wait. Yeah. Uh, okay. Yeah. Right. Yeah.